Hi Korean learners. My old friend Dylan has studied Korean really hard and now he watches Korean dramas without subtitle, understands K-pop without the English lyrics, and orders Korean street food in Korea without any problem. And if he can do it, you can do it too. Let me introduce myself. I have more than 10 years experience teaching Korean, and I've met so many Korean learners who are interested in learning Korean because of K-drama, K-pop, and culture. But they never learn Korean properly. They just know some words from drama or songs, but that's it. And I totally understand having a tutor or going to a Korean school is a big commitment. So I want to help you by making a 4-minute Korean lesson every week. It will be strategic and structured. I will try to make it about 4 minutes or less because I know you're busy and your time is gold. So just watch it and practice few times after the lesson. That's it. It may or may not help you, but I'll try my best to improve your Korean. This 4-minute Korean series is for the beginners who know how to read Hangul, which is Korean alphabet, but don't know any Korean words or grammar. Every lesson will have few vocabulary items and one grammar pattern. If you have any questions about Korean, please leave a comment. I will try my best to answer your question as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the intro video and have a nice day!